Hi, my name is Tadele Bogala and currently I am working for JPIGO in Ethiopia. My role in JPIGO is a Deputy Country Director to the Ethiopian program. I have worked for the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention CDC from December 2007 to May 2011. Initially, I was a technical officer for the blood safety program, and later on I was promoted to a biomedical HIV prevention technical officer. And this is a reflection of my personal professional experience with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and it's not at all indicative of every former CDC staffer's experience. There are peculiar differences in the review of the single eligibility or sole source applications and competitive award process. When I was a blood safety technical officer, there were two centrally funded and locally funded blood safety funding opportunity announcements. The two applicants submitted their FOA because they were sole source providers of the service, and my role was reviewing the technical and programmatic aspects of the submitted application. The program office in Atlanta was the one who designs and writes the two funding opportunity announcements, and this was taken into consideration what has been done in the previous cooperative agreement which elapsed. This is consistent with what has been done worldwide in terms of designing and writing funding opportunity announcements, and it does not differ by country. As this is a sole source single eligibility funding opportunity announcement, the two applicants have seen my notes, and this was provided to them through the Atlanta office. When I was shared the documents for reviewing, it was only part of the entire package which was given to me, and this has to do with the technical and programmatic approach of the overall submitted applications. Annexes are important part of the applications, and actually I was not involved in giving the score, and the scoring was done centrally by Atlanta. The technical and the programmatic approach, the extent of understanding of the problem, methodologies to be employed in addressing some of the gaps, key personnel, finally it could be the overall management of the award as outlined by the applicants.